Imagine a world where one of the biggest luxury car brands in the world didn't even make cars. Yes, before BMW became a symbol of speed, power, and prestige, it was just a struggling company fighting to survive. And what happened next changed the future of the automobile industry forever. This is the incredible story of BMW's first car, the BMW Dixi 3D15. The story begins in Germany. In the early 1900s, BMW, or Bayerische Motorenwerke, wasn't always a car company. In fact, they were known for something completely different: aircraft engines. During World War I, BMW became famous for building powerful engines for fighter planes. Their technology was advanced, their reputation was growing, and everything seemed perfect. But then, the war ended, and everything changed. Germany faced strict restrictions. BMW was banned from producing aircraft engines overnight. Their main business was gone. Imagine running a company and suddenly being told, you can no longer build what you are famous for. BMW was in crisis. To survive, BMW had to adapt. They started making motorcycles, and for a while, it worked. But it wasn't enough. The market was changing. People wanted something new, something bigger, something more practical. Cars. At that time, cars were becoming the future of transportation. And BMW knew if they didn't enter the car market, they might disappear forever. But there was one problem. BMW didn't know how to build cars. So what did they do? They made a bold decision. Instead of building a car from scratch, they bought a small company called Dixi. Dixi was already making a tiny car based on the British Austin 7. It wasn't powerful, it wasn't luxurious, but it was affordable, simple, and reliable. BMW saw potential. So in 1928, BMW acquired Dixi, and in 1929, they released their very first car, the BMW 315 Dixi. At first glance, the BMW Dixi looked simple: a small body, a modest engine, nothing flashy. But don't underestimate it, because this car saved BMW. It had a 747cc engine, producing just around 15 horsepower. Yes, only 15 horsepower. But back then, that was enough. It was lightweight, easy to drive, and most importantly, affordable for everyday people. For many families in Germany, this was their first car ever, and that made it special. Even after launching the Dixi, BMW's journey wasn't easy. The world was heading toward the Great Depression. Money was tight. People were struggling. But somehow, the Dixi kept selling. It gave BMW something they needed desperately: hope. For the first time in years, BMW wasn't just surviving, they were growing. The success of the BMW Dixi gave the company confidence. Now they knew they could build cars, and they didn't stop there. They improved their designs. They built better engines. They focused on performance. And slowly, BMW transformed from a struggling company into a rising star in the automobile world. Fast forward to today, BMW is one of the most powerful luxury car brands in the world. From sports cars to electric vehicles to high-performance machines, BMW represents innovation, speed, and class. But none of this would have been possible without that small, simple car, the BMW Dixi. It's crazy to think that a company once on the edge of collapse became a global icon. And it all started with a tiny car, built not out of ambition, but out of survival. So next time you see a BMW on the road, remember, its journey didn't start with luxury. It started with struggle. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe, because more amazing car stories are coming soon. And trust me, you don't want to miss them.